फळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव
जय हिंद वंदे मातरम. Today I will show you how one can draw some pictures with the help of mathematics. Right now I am going through the Ganesh festival season, so I have chosen the picture of Ganesh to draw. Now look at this equation of the curve. I have taken the equation e to the power equation. So you have got the equation something like this. And in order to turn this to the proper thing, I have done this particular thing, right? So you can also use these particular parametric form equations and you can draw such curves. Okay. So this is first thing, line of the trunk, second line of the trunk. So I hope you like this shape of this particular trunk of the Ganesh. Now here I have made a triangle to form the tooth. Okay. So and I have given a white color to that. So this is formed by, you'll see that you have these 3 points. If you want to show some of these points, it's possible for you to see, right? But I'll hide those. So take those points and draw the triangle. Next step, now I'm going to put up the jaw and the other part. So this is how you are getting the lower part of that particular thing. Now we have to draw eye. So we get 2 arcs. Okay. So these arcs are drawn here, and a lot of points are here. So the circular arcs, the conics are available here. Okay. Then next you take this circle. Okay. So you have this particular circle here. Right. And then next comes, you see, eyebrow. Right. Now here you are going to have the ear. So I have taken a semicircle and then there is some decoration here. Next comes the mukut. Right. And now some decoration to that mukut. So please note that for each of these I have provided the equation for that. So I will move this so that it should be possible for you to see all the equations. You can take a screenshot and store it. In fact, I am going to provide you with the GeoGebra file also. So huge number of data is required to make this particular picture. Please note, last is these 2 triangles, right, making a tooth here and then part of the here, this particular thing. Okay. So this is how the Ganesh is made with such huge data. I hope you like this particular picture. Thank you very much. For any queries, you may write to me on my email address. vasantabarve@gmail.com. Okay. So, thank you for watching. Share this to your friends.